Alright, so we're here at Purple Top Garage, and we put a clear Lexan tube in place of the outer shelf of the strut. See what's going on with the oil inside, or antifreeze in this case, suspension fluid. So this is a 14-inch strut. It has 307 cc's of antifreeze in it. So we're going to compress it fully, including the bump stop inside, and we have, this is our mark for 307 cc's. So we go all the way up, full extension. That's pretty close, and we have just a hair over our 300 cc's here, so it's kind of hard to tell, but we're actually just about at the bottom of right at the bottom of the tube. So what I'm going to do now is jam it down, and we'll see where it converts its dampening from nitrogen, or air in this case, to complete fluid. So go down, so it always hits right there. So we're still at our 307 cc's. And it's making its conversion right there. So from here up, it still has nitrogen inside the main piston, the upper piston, and from here down, it's running completely on suspension fluid to control the dampening. So when we're at the point where we stop exchanging nitrogen into the outer chamber and only suspension fluid, we have 4 5/8 inches of chrome showing, just a relative measurement. Reduce the volume in the upper cylinder from 307 cc's to 257 cc's. So now, makes sense, our bottom level stays the same regardless because that's the end of our tubes. And we reduce the distance that it transforms into the full fluid dampening down to 3 5/8. So we dropped 50 cc's and we gained 1 inch as lower dampening. So I'll get it to move. And then compress it all the way. And with the bump stop, there are 257 cc's. So not exactly sure that's what we're looking for, but it looks kind of cool. And my goal was to move the advanced dampening down in the stroke a little bit. It looks like that's going to happen. The only thing I haven't explored is what's going on with the bottom. Right now, the piston, the bottom chamber still has fork oil in it, and it's not charged, of course. So now next step will be to discharge that, all the oil, and see if that changes this at all. I don't think it will, but just making sure.